Hey, it's Nerf Lego Guy here and
The Man.
And today we're going to be doing Lego City set number 3222, the Lego City helicopter and limousine. It's ages 5 to 12 and it's Lego City. First we'll start with the minifigures. First minifigure drives the limo. It's got silver glasses on, a black pilot's hat and a nice looking tuxedo there. He's looking quite good. The next one is the pilot of the helicopter. He's wearing the normal black pilot hat. He's got, I don't know if you can see that, but he's got red glasses on, red glasses on and a cruel looking face on him. He's got a black tuxedo with a gold pilot badge on. The next person, the next minifigure is the husband. He's got black hair, nerdy looking glasses and a suit on. The last minifigure is a girl. She's got pink lipstick, brown nice hair, pink scarf on with grey, dark grey shirt with light grey pants. Now I'll hand it over to the man to do the limo.
For the limo, it has one door on this side and another door on that side, and it has two doors, and on the other side it has two doors, and the person can fit in perfectly, just like this, like that, and same with the other two. And there's two wine glasses, and the back windows are black, and there's a light for them to see, and two lights on the bottom, and the type of wheels are grey, and the TV's just there, and yeah, and the number plate is HA3222, and the front number plate is HA3222, and that's about all. So now let's go on to the
helicopter. The first thing you see on top for the helicopter is on top they've got a spinning blade, and on the back they've got a spinning thing on there as well, and I think that's a license plate for the helicopter, I'm not sure, but there's a little thing in here where you can store the black suitcase in like that and just shut it. There's wheels on the bottom and there's a twisty wheel right there. Inside there's a pilot seat. I'll just take this off because it's annoying me, but inside there's a pilot seat and there's some controls in there and a little thing for the black suitcase. Then you take off this part and there's two cups and two chairs as well for the other two people. There's lights everywhere. There's controls. I believe these things are armrests, I'm not sure. Windows on either side. That's about it. Now for Lego Guy and the Man, signing